Now, today's event is for us to show to the whole world that Labour Party is intact.
Yes.
People thought that when they leave the party will die.
No.
I want to say
Say.
that the party will become stronger.
Yes.
The party will become better.
Yes.
And we will win more elections, whether they like it or not. I have been told that I should not dwell so much in the past, that we should be forward-looking. But however, it is often better to make one or two references. And I want to say very clearly that this crowd that you see here, they are party members.
Yes.
They are not borrowed members.
Yes.
And this was the state of the party
Yes.
before Peter Obi joined us.
Exactly.
This party was strategically positioned for what happened in 2023.
Exactly, sir.
When I took over the leadership of the party in 2021, we laundered the image of the party and strategically positioned it as an alternative for others. Like Alex Oti said, I would not like to make reference to Oti because it's not a good example to the party. But recently he said that he's not going to follow Peter Obi to defect because he joined the party before Peter Obi. And that was true. People like Obi can name them. A lot of people joined the party before Peter Obi joined. A lot of groups, the NSAS protesters were in touch with me. NCF, led by Patutomi, the labor movement, NLC, TUC, pensioners, all the professional groups already indicated that they will work with Labour Party. Senators already had an agreement with me that they will defect to the party. SDP faction were in touch with me that they will join the party, and they were already joining the party.
They were already in the party.
It is what Peter Obi saw in the party
That
that encouraged him to come. So for people to be speculating that Peter Obi alone made the party what it is not correct. I don't want you to get me wrong. He contributed to the growth of the party. There's no doubt about it.
Yeah.
But we all contributed to it.
Collective effort.
It was a collective effort that resulted to it. And so, the party is intact. The party is strong. The party is united. And the party is ready to win future elections. We have built this brand. It's a brand that we have built. And I want to say that this brand, you cannot find its kind in Nigeria. Labour Party is a brand we have built. We built it for many years. And we have established it. And this brand, nothing can happen to it. And that was what we showed that made Nigerians to follow us in 2022 and 2023 general election. Labour Party is different and it will be different. We are the only party in Nigeria that has the ideology, programs, and philosophy of social democracy. There is no other one.
Yes, sir.
Even if others profess it, they have not lived it. They have not practiced it. Labour Party have lived it. We have practiced it. And we have showed it in the 2023 election. How did we practice it? How did we show it? Party politics in Nigeria is monetized. People will tell you if you don't have money, don't play politics. And over the years, there has been a lot of politics in Nigeria. And that was why every product we were getting was a bad product. And that's why the country was mismanaged. Labour Party said, we are going to do it differently. If you have integrity, if you have character, if you have competence, if you have capacity, and you don't have money, we will give you tickets and campaign for you. And we did it in 2023 general election. I challenge all those who won in the National Assembly today. A lot of them were given free tickets.
Yes.
Some of them were not having the complete money to pay. Some of them could not print their posters. We did for them. And we all, and that was why they won the election. So it's one reason why Labour Party is different. And I want to say that this party is ready to do the same. From now to 2027, the party is going to continue to mentor the youths. Those who are just turning 18 to 34, we are going to mentor them. If we find those of them who are good, we will even give them tickets free of charge under my leadership. And so let all youth from 18 to 30 go and massively be registering in the party. I assure you, again and again, Nigerian youths, Labour Party is your party.
Great Nigerian youth!
Great.
Great Nigerian youth!
Great.
Great Nigerian youth! Great! Give us our national chairman!
Another thing, another factor that makes Labour Party different, because I have followed the media. Some people say Labour Party is not different from the others. This is election year. We need to show to the world how we are different. And that is why I'm doing what I'm doing. The second point is that all other parties, there is godfatherism. If you don't know a big man, you can't get to the House of Rep or Senate. You can't get the tickets. In Labour Party, there is no godfather. And that was why the people that got tickets in 2023 also got. A lot of them who got wouldn't have got. If it was a party of godfathers, a lot of them wouldn't have got. And so we are ready to continue. And that was why when there was attempts to introduce godfatherism in the party, we resisted it because it was not in tandem. It was not in consonance with the ideology of the party. The third reason why Labour Party is different is that the old faces you have had from independence to the military days to democracy are the people that we are going to change that trajectory. We are going to do it differently. And that was why we encourage young people, new faces in the political space. And I want to say that we have that credit from the 2023 general election. A lot of people came to join the party and they are in politics today. They have also become leaders in their own right because of the opportunity that Labour Party provided. So I want to say it very clearly that Labour Party is ready. We are determined to follow our ideology and to follow our philosophy. Nothing has happened to the party. I want to conclude this address by appreciating the members of the National Working Committee and our state chairman for standing by ourselves. There were several attempts to divide us, but because we were convinced in our cause, nobody left the house. I appreciate you for that. We have just started the year 2026. Activities of this year will lead us to 2027. I want to assure you that on behalf of myself and my colleagues, we will continue to provide selfless, determined, proactive, and result-oriented leadership of the party. Labour Party!
Forever!
Labour Party!
Forever!
Labour Party!
Forever!
Solidarity
forever! Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! For the party makes us proud.
Solidarity
forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the party makes us strong.
Labour Party!
Forever.
Thank you.
Thank you, our leader. May God bless you.
Invite our vice presidential candidates in the 2020 general election to come forward with his address.